Well, hello. This is Evan at Mob Studios. I'm going to do a little video demo of our Sony JH24 tape machine that is for sale as of today, April 13th, 2025. This is a Sony branded version of the JH24, not the older MCI version, so it does not have the red IC sockets of death. You will not find a single red IC socket in this whole machine. And the capacitors have partially been recapacitated. You can see we got some new caps in places. It was very well maintained by a local college who we bought it from. It was used regularly and maintained by them. So this is going to be a quick transport demo. This is being sold as a project machine because it needs a little love. It's going to need calibration. I did not calibrate the analog torque board, do the zero offset null thing. So the transport is a little sluggish. It all works, but you'll see it's, probably could be a little snappier. It will probably need MRL tape, calibrated, all the channels. Also, this tape, unfortunately, is sticky. And, well, here, let me just show you. This is supposed to be a transport demo, but let's just take a gander here. So, obviously, that is going to need cleaning. That's pretty nasty. So this tape, yeah, this tape is not great. So I was able to confirm we have some channels of working audio up here. I don't think there are a whole ton of channels recorded on this tape, but I don't know. We just acquired a studio right next door to us that has this exact same machine, Sony branded JH24, that's fully wired into their patch bay and their console, so we don't need two JH24s. And we need to clear some room out of this shop storage area, because as you can see, it's getting real tight. I can't even access my little door here to get back to my power supplies and amps and servers and stuff. So yeah, unfortunately this puppy needs to find a new home. Unfortunately for us anyway. Hopefully it'll be fortunately for you. Anyway, I'm rambling now. Let's get to the transport demo. So as you can see, we're in fixed mode, low, play. Fixed mode, high. Let's go over to vary mode. I don't know where that's set to, but that is going to be fast. Slow it down. Gets real slow. You can hear that sticky tape is just not great. So there's vary mode, and you can see the meters. The meters going crazy because we're in vary mode, so they're jumping erratically. Let's put it back in fixed mode, low. That is pegged. Yeah, these channels are probably going to need calibration unless this was just recorded really, really hot. Okay, we did the little lifter there. We did that. Let's see, did we do? Oh, fast forward. And rewind. We got the different torque settings over here, so you'll notice it will probably start getting a little sluggish in, so, so if we hit play now, we're in, we're in vary. Let's do fixed. Let's do fixed high. Fixed high. Oh, something's a little... Okay, so that's little hiccups there. I think that is probably the analog torque board. This offset null adjustment down here on the analog torque board. Yeah. this down here. You need to set this test point to 0 volts. I think there's some calibration pots in here. I forget the exact procedure that you do this, but yeah, kind of adjust the torque on here. But I think that's what that sort of thing is about. So, you know, little kinks. What were we doing? We're going to check the... So if we set this torque limit to medium, it'll probably get more sluggish. Well, no, that wasn't bad. And then slow or low. Yeah, low, it's not happy. Kinda. Go back to high. A little snappier, a little more tension. Where's the tension set? I believe the tension is set on this side with the dancer arm. It's been a while since I've really dove into one of these puppies. MVC. Oh, this tape is so squeaky. And then reverse. MVC. That's it, right? As far as transport goes. Honestly, I don't know how this edit and... Okay, shield. There we go. Shield. I guess that's what that does. How do you get that back up? Okay, cool. Huh. So I guess that is how you check out the tape heads. No, it's still got tension on it. Yeah, I've never really used that function. I don't think the JH110s that I had before had that function on it, but there you go. Shield. And then edit... I guess is the same thing, but yes, oh, look at that. There is no tension on it. So now we can just pull it out and edit it. And it comes with a little edit splice block. And then what happens if we put this back? Oh, it tensions back up again. Look at that. I seriously did not know that's how that works. So I thought, oh, and then you press stop and that comes back up. And then you can play. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I didn't even know that was a thing. Okay, well, I think that about wraps her up. Again, you're going to want to clean this. You're going to want to calibrate it. But the important bits are working, and that's what's important. So, yeah, let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks.